Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am once again participating in the open collaboration hosted by Marianne of Marianne's Craft Corner and Raina of Lilo Crafts. This week I have been really busy working with origami. Here is the first origami project that I made, and this is a coat. And I really like the way this came out. And this also, the tutorial had a dress for it, but I did not use the dress. After I made this one, I actually found another tutorial, so I went on to that. The next tutorial that I went to is creating some sundresses. And this right here is using a 6x6 piece of paper. And then I went to this one and this one right here. And then I made this one and then I made this one. So as you can see, I think the non-directional and the small print kind of works really good. So that is those. And then I found a tutorial for this dress right here, and I really did end up liking this one a lot. And this one you can actually add a lot of, you can add like maybe some lace down here or some, you know, rickrack. And I think it would probably be best if, you know, I did put some glue down. And then right here you can put a belt, you can put buttons down. So this one right here is very versatile. And then of course I couldn't just create one. I also created this one. And this one, and of course this one, and this one. And then I tried it in a different size, and this was using a 5x5 piece of paper. So all of these right here are 6x6, as well as these. This one I think was a 4x4, and this one is a 5x5. So I was playing around with the size on that. And as long as it's a square, you're okay to make these. And of course I couldn't stop, you know, going smaller. So I created these right here, and this one is using a 3x3. So as you can tell, the size really makes a big difference. So this again is using a 3x3 piece of paper. And of course I created one in pink and then one in stripes. And then there's this one here. And this right here, and this is the last one. So I really enjoyed creating these. If you have made it this far to my video, I want to say that this is a secret giveaway, and I am going to be giving 6 of these dresses, and these are going to be the larger ones. So it is going to be with like this 6x6 piece of paper, and here are the dresses that I will be giving. And all I want you to do is be a visible subscriber, and also mention down in the comments below how you will be using these and if you will be decorating them. I have seen where these can be used like as in, you know, in a banner hanging up. These would be very cute that way. But anyways, yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. I will be closing out the giveaway on sometime on Tuesday, and I will announce the winner next Wednesday. So please make sure, if you want to enter for some of these cute dresses, just tell me how you will be using them and embellishing them. I will make sure to link all of the tutorials that I use down in the description below, as well as Marianne and Raina's channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye!